Are you struggling to make your Squarespace website look perfect on mobile? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit in mobile view on Squarespace, step by step, so your site looks amazing on any device. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head to the homepage and click the login button in the top right corner. For the fastest and easiest login, I recommend using your Google account. Just click Continue with Google and select your profile. It's quick and keeps you from juggling multiple passwords. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your websites live. Find the one you want to edit and click on it. This takes you to your site's management page, the hub for all your editing. Now, let's focus on mobile view. At the top right corner, you'll see a mobile phone icon. Click it and your site will switch to a mobile preview. This lets you see exactly how your website looks on a phone and make adjustments that matter for mobile users. With mobile view active, hit the edit button in the top corner. Here, you can move or resize sections, adjust text and images, and tweak everything so it fits perfectly on a smaller screen. Remember, mobile layouts often need different spacing and font sizes to stay readable and engaging. By following these steps, you're not just editing, you're optimizing your website for the majority of users who browse on their phones. Once you're done, always review your changes to make sure everything works smoothly across devices. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've made your Squarespace site mobile-friendly and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Squarespace tips. Happy editing!